Okay, we're working on replacing Storm Shadow's loose knees. I already took them apart in this video here. For those of you who are at home watching this live, I'm also putting this up on YouTube on my Chief 321. Okay, just pull apart up here. This video is not a vintage toy review. Okay, keep these separate. The thicker one goes to the legs. The one with the point goes straight to the back. Now I'm using this Teflon tape. It is pretty good. I've never had major issues with it. Want to try to keep it nice and straight. This is like should be just a really small, quick video. Okay, now what we're going to do is take just a little bit here, and I'm going to wrap it up and over the joint. You don't need to use a whole heck of a lot, just a little dab will do you. Okay, tuck that in. Now what we'll do is then we'll put the knee back together. Now at this point you see we have a little bit of the Teflon tape sticking up. You can either cut it with a X-Acto knife, or you can take the X-Acto knife and lightly just tuck it in. And then reassemble. Before I put the screw in, it is now a lot tighter. It's not nearly as loose as it was. Hopefully you guys are picking this up. Alright. And now we're going to go ahead and reassemble that knee. Now I hope this kind of helps everybody that has vintage G.I. Joes. Now don't tighten it too tight. I can see by putting it in here that it is a little too tight. I think I might have put possibly the wrong screw in there, because one is actually a little longer than the other. Yep, the smaller screw will always go in the thighs. Yeah, there we go. Much, much better. Okay, that is the way it should look, where it's not poking through the hole. Let's see if that helps. Alright, now we'll go ahead and replace the other one as well. For those of you who are watching this on YouTube channel, I am also recording this live on Facebook. We're going to pop that loose. Now if you're watching this on Facebook, hopefully you'll find this informative. If you're watching this on YouTube, hopefully, like I said, you're finding this informative. Okay, I'm just using a little bit. Slide the peg back in through the hole in the knee. It feels really tight. Now, I just wanted to do this for the average collector that wants to repair their loose knees on their action figures. Okay, and then we will reassemble Storm Shadow. Now, as you can see in the background, I have a couple other Storm Shadows. I have one from Black Major. I like it a lot. It's really crisp, clean white. If you want to look at getting a Storm Shadow really white and not spend a lot of money, Black Major has a really nice selection. I will, when I get ready to review my Storm Shadow, I will also do the Black Majors as well. It will be like a side-by-side comparison. Trying to get the joints back in here. Put the head back in. Now, like I said, I've had this one here since I was a child, back in 1984. When I get all his accessories and get mine all really good and cleaned, then I will look at doing a toy review. Now, right away, some of you may notice he's got a different arm. This is from the other version of Storm Shadow, which would be the version 2. Now, for some reasons, this one here will actually fit very well on my peg of the stand. Now, some of the other ones actually will not. I actually accidentally broke this one here, just setting him on a peg. So, thanks for watching. I hope you find this informative. If you do, give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. I'm listed underneath Chief 321. I really hope you find this informative. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. I got a lot of vintage G.I. Joe toy reviews coming up. You don't want to miss any of them. Until next time, be kind, rewind.